We have completed the parbucking operation a few minutes ago. Actually, it was 4 o'clock, and the rotation happened the way we thought it would happen, and the way we hoped it would happen. It was a perfect operation, I would say, and from the environmental point of view, I have to say that there are no evidence so far of any impact to the environment.
Mostly without all the shipyards and fabrication facilities and everything being delivered on time, we wouldn't be here today. So there's very few countries in the world that could support that much fabrication in the timeline that it was done.